Hello everyone, I'm Masood Bakhtiari, a structural engineer. If you're interested in learning Revit for structural concrete building, please subscribe to my channel. Before you watch this video, please support me so that I can provide more high-quality tutorials in the future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Masood from Masood Structural Studio. For modification of main page monitoring, we copy from border tag and paste it and delete a stack panel and set grid column set to 1. This page is main page monitoring, and we define new grid, and in this grid define 3 row definition and divided page into 3 row. And now for row 0 divided into 6 column, we open border tag and set this aside. As you can see, define set grid row to 0 and copy paste, and another copy paste and set index of row columns. As you can see, this page divided into 3 rows. Now for the first row, we divided into 6 column definition, and we divide this row by 6 column. As you can see, the size equal together. And for the second row, we want this row divided into 4 row definition, column definition, and set display properties, and in the third row divided into 3 column definition.